humans. For centuries, machines replaced muscle. From steam engines to industrial robots, human labor evolved, but cognition remained untouched. Now, we stand at a turning point. Synthetic intelligence, systems capable of reasoning, writing, analyzing, and even discovering, is redefining what it means to work, think, and create. Unlike past technologies, AI doesn't just automate physical labor. It targets cognitive tasks, decision-making, pattern recognition, and problem-solving. This is not just innovation. It is a structural transformation of the economy. Traditionally, high-value labor was defined by education and expertise. Scientists, analysts, legal experts. But AI is compressing the cost of cognition itself, making complex analytical tasks cheaper, faster, and scalable. Today, generative AI can draft research papers, analyze legal documents, and run simulations that once required entire teams. The result? A fundamental shift. Work is no longer defined by knowledge alone, but by the ability to collaborate with machines. Studies show that AI reduces demand for structured cognitive roles, while increasing demand for collaborative, higher complexity roles. The central debate: will AI replace humans or enhance them? The answer is more complex. Research shows job postings for automation-prone roles are declining, while demand for AI-augmented roles is rising sharply. AI doesn't eliminate jobs entirely, it breaks them into tasks. Some tasks disappear. Others become more valuable. In many cases, automation removes simpler work, increasing the importance and value of expertise. But here's the catch: entry-level roles, the stepping stones into high-skill careers, are shrinking. Nowhere is this shift more visible than in science and research. AI systems can now solve complex problems in days that once took years, from protein folding to drug discovery. But instead of eliminating scientists, AI is changing their role. Routine data analysis, experimentation, and modeling are increasingly automated. The human role is shifting toward hypothesis creation, interpretation, and ethical judgment. Researchers are no longer just solving problems. They are guiding intelligent systems to discover new ones. These changes are not isolated. They are restructuring entire economies. Nearly 40% of global jobs are exposed to AI-driven change, especially in high-skill roles. The outcome? Wage polarization, skill-based inequality, increased returns to capital and data ownership. AI acts as a general-purpose technology, like electricity or the internet, reshaping productivity and competitive advantage across industries. Companies that adapt early gain massive leverage, producing more output with fewer workers. So where does this leave us? Ironically, in an AI-driven world, human intelligence becomes more important, not less. The future of work is not about competing with machines, but collaborating with them. Humans are shifting from executing tasks to overseeing, guiding, and refining AI outputs. The winners of this transformation will not be those who know the most, but those who can ask better questions, adapt faster, and think more creatively. Because in a world where intelligence is synthetic, meaning is still human. The age of synthetic intelligence is here. The question is not whether it will change work, but whether we are ready to change with it. Subscribe to Insight Vault for deep dives into the future of technology, power, and humanity.